Good morning, children. Welcome back to your maths class. In previous class, we have studied how to make, how to compare numbers and find which one is greater number. That was order relation. Yes, in today's class, we are going to study ascending order. We are going to study ascending order, descending order. Then we will study about we will also do few questions related to that. We will also study how to form greatest and smallest number. And we will do questions related to that. So children, it is very easy topic. If you have understood how to do order relation, then you will be able to do this question also. Children, here let's start with ascending and descending order. Children, here you can see we have four plants. Plant 1, plant 2, plant 3, plant 4. So children, what can you see from these plants? What can you know from these plants? You can see that this one is small plant. Then here it grown up. Yes. Then here it again grown up to this level. Yes, from here to here it has grown. Yes, now from here to here it has again grown. So this plant is large and this is small. Yes, so children, what we can know from this? We can know that earlier we have small, then it is growing to upwards. Yes, it is going to this direction from here to here. From small, from it is increasing, yes, increasing from small to big. It is increasing. So children, this we call it ascending order. When we arrange this, we call it ascending order. When we arrange things from small to big, that process is called as ascending order. Okay, children, let's quickly know what is descending order. Now you can see that we have 6 balls. Yes, what you can see in this photo. In this photo, you have seen that the plant earlier it was small. Yes, it was small. Then it grown up. It becomes bigger, and this one is biggest. So it has grown up from small to big. Here in this ball, what you can see that this one is big. Yes, now then this is decreasing. First ball is big, then the second ball is small. Yes, then the other one is small, and the last one is small. So what it is happening? Decreasing. It is decreasing from big to small. Yes, the first ball, it was large. Yes, ये first ball बड़ा है ना. Then second ball उससे छोटा. Then third उससे भी छोटा. See, ये decrease हुआ. Then fourth again, fifth, sixth. So what is this happening? ये decrease हो रहा है. Okay, सबसे पहले बड़ा था, then big से ये small की तरफ आ रहा है. So this is called as descending order. This order is called as descending order. Children, this we have done ascending and descending order for the things. ये plant है, ये ball है. Now we will do for the numbers. So your first example, let's take example. Your first example is to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means from small to big. Yes, small to big. So children, this is your number. These are your number. How will we arrange this in ascending order? So 15,635, 15,389. Next number is 28,707, 2,791. Then the next number is 489. So children, in order relation, we have already studied how to compare numbers. How can we know that one number is greater to the other number? First thing what we have to see is number of digits. So here children, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which number in these 5 numbers, this, 28,707, 2,791 and in 489, which number has least digit, less digit? We can see that this number has less digit. Yes, it has 3 digit. 1, 2, 3. That means this number is the smallest number. So in ascending order, first we will write the smallest number. So your answer is, first number will come 489. Then second you will see that this number has smallest digit. Now we have written 489. We will not consider this number. We will write ascending order from these numbers. Now from these numbers we will compare which number has smallest digit. So this 2,791 has 4 digit. Other numbers have 5 digit. Yes, it is 5 digit. It has 5 digits. It also has 5 digit. This one has 4 digit. And this has 3 digits. So we have already written this number. Now we will write this 4 digit number. 2,791. Now we have written this number. Now we will compare from these 3 numbers. Children, see. We have studied that we will see to the leftmost side. Yes, we will see to the leftmost side. So we have 1 here. In 15,635 we have 1. In 15,389 we have 1. In this number 28,700 we have 2. So this number is the greatest number. Yes, comparing with this number and this number, this is the greatest. Yes. Now we will compare from these two numbers, this one 15,635 and this one. So children, one is same, then we will compare with next number. Here 5 is again same. Yes, that's why we cannot know which number is greater. Again फिर से हम children next number देखेंगे. Now here we can see that we have 6 and here we can see that we have 3. Children, अब आप मुझे ये बताओ 6 और 3 में से कौन सा नंबर बड़ा है? Which number is greater? 6 is greater than 3. Yes. So we can say that this number 15,635 is greater than 15,389. So what children, हमें यहाँ पे क्या लिखना है? हमें यहाँ पे increasing order में लिखना है. Yes. So the other number will come, next number will come 15,389. Now we have remaining number is 15,635 and 28,707. The remaining number is 15,635 and 28,707. So we will compare with the leftmost place value. Here it is 1 and here it is 2. Children, it is very easy. 1 छोटा होता है 2 से. So this number will come here. 15,635 will come here and 28,707 will come here. So children, this is your ascending order. सबसे पहले अब आप देख सकते हो, सबसे पहले ये आपका स्मॉल नंबर है, देन अब ये इंक्रीज हो रही है, फिर आपका बिग नंबर आया, फिर उससे भी बड़ा. अब आप देख सकते हो कि ये बड़ा है. एस सी 489 is less. Yes, 2,791 से 2,791 is bigger than 489. Yes, here 15,389 is greater than this number. Now this will be greater than this number. अब जो भी नेक्स्ट नंबर है, इसका नेक्स्ट नंबर ये है. यस, तो ये आपसे इससे बड़ा है. अब आप देख सकते हो लेफ्ट मोस्ट साइड में ये 1 है यहाँ पे एंड दिस इज 2. सो चिल्ड्रन, ये बड़ा है ना, सेम डिजिट है, बिकॉज इट हैज 5 डिजिट, इट हैज ऑल्सो 5 डिजिट. सो हाउ विल यू कंपेयर? आप लेफ्ट मोस्ट साइड में देखोगे, यहाँ पे 2 है, यहाँ पे 3 है. यस, सो दिस इज योर ग्रेटर नंबर. आप असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में ऊपर की साइड जाओगे, छोटे से बड़ा, और डिसेंडिंग में नीचे. Children, now your next question is for descending order. अब हमें descending order में arrange करना है. ठीक है. Your question is 5,035, 42,801, 1,506, 27,391, 41,752. Now children, here what you have to do, सबसे पहले आपको जो सबसे बड़ा नंबर है, greatest number, that will come. Greatest number will come first. सबसे पहले greatest number आएगा. You already know how to find greatest number, children. ये आपका 4 digit है. This is 4 digit. This is 5 digit. This is again 4 digit. This is 5 digit. This is 2 digit, yes. And this is 3 digit. Children, सबसे पहले तो आप देखकर ही ये 5 digit 4 digit ये सब देखकर ही आप पता लगा सकते हो. You can know which one is smallest और which one is greatest. तो बच्चों ये तो 3 digit है, ये 2 digit है, ये 4 digit है, ये 4 digit है, तो ये तो greatest नहीं है because we have two number which has 5 digit. So सबसे पहले आपको इन दोनों में से कंपेयर करना है. अब आप लेफ्ट मोस्ट साइड में देखोगे तो यहाँ पे 4 है, yes, यहाँ पे 2 है. That means 4 is greater, yes, 4 बड़ा है. तो so children, your answer will be, ये आपको डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लिखना है. सबसे पहले आएगा 42,801. ये आपका 5 डिजिट हो गया. नाउ योर नेक्स्ट 5 डिजिट इज दिस, यस, दिस नंबर विल कम 27,391. अब आपका ये 5 डिजिट हो गया. नाउ यू कैन सी दैट you have 4 digit number, 2 4 digit number, then 1 3 digit, and the remaining one is 2 digit. Now you will compare from these 2 4 digit number to the leftmost side. आप सबसे लेफ्ट साइड में देखोगे. Here it is 5, here it is 1. Children, इसमें से कौन सा बिग है? 5 बड़ा है या 4? Yes, 5 is greater than 1. स्टूडेंट, आपको सिंबल्स भी लगाने हैं तो ये ऐसे लगेगा because this number is 42,801 is greater than 27,391. Now your next is 27,391 is greater than this 5,035. ये भी हो गया. अब ये 4 डिजिट बचा है तो ये आएगा क्योंकि बाकी जो रिमेनिंग नंबर है वो 2 डिजिट है एंड 3 डिजिट है. 15,006. नाउ योर नेक्स्ट इज वेरी इजी. अब आप इसमें से देख सकते हो. यस चिल्ड्रन, आपके पास 2 डिजिट है और 3 डिजिट है तो ऑब्वियसली 2 डिजिट बड़ा है. यस, सॉरी, 3 डिजिट बड़ा है. यस, ये नंबर बड़ा है. 752 is greater than 41, and last your remaining is 41, so it will come. Children, आपको सिंबल भी लगाने हैं तो आप ये ऐसे लगाओगे बिकॉज ये आपका बड़ा है तो ये सिंबल यहाँ पे आएगा ग्रेटर देन. Now children, we will study how to form greater and smallest number. It is very easy. Your first case is, we have two cases here. Your first case is when digits are not repeated. When you don't have to repeat digit and then you have to make greatest and smallest number. How will you make it? Suppose your question is you have to make greatest number from 3905. Now children, you in these numbers you will see which one you have to make greatest number. How will you make? In these 4 number, which one is greater? सबसे बड़ा कौन सा है? 9. Yes. उसके बाद कौन सा है? 5. Then which number is greater? 3 है and 0 है उसमें से? Yes, 3. Then 0. So children, this is your greatest number. If you, it is right smallest number. For smallest number, you will see the smallest. Children, yes, again remember that you have to make 4-digit number. Okay, but you have to make 4-digit smallest and greatest. If children, आपने ये 0 सबसे छोटा है, अगर आपने ये 0 पहले लिख दिया और उसके बाद नंबर्स लिखिए तो वो 3 डिजिट हो जाएंगे. That will be wrong. वो आपका आंसर गलत हो जाएगा. So you don't have to use 0 पहले. Okay? From which number we will start? We will compare that here 3 is smallest. So 3 will come. Now you can write. अब आप 0 लिख सकते हो. ठीक है, पहले नहीं लिखते क्योंकि वो 3 डिजिट हो जाता. आपको 4 डिजिट स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर बनाना है. 3 0 देन 5 छोटा है, उसके बाद 9. दिस इज योर स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. चिल्ड्रन, ये तो आपका फर्स्ट केस हुआ where you don't have to repeat number. Now your case 2 is when digits are repeated. How will you make smallest and greatest number? So your first example, suppose example is 218, and you have to make greatest number from this. You have to make greatest number, and you can repeat the numbers, children. So you can see that 8 is greatest. Here 8 is greatest. Then 2 and 1. So what you will do, you will write 8. Children, now see, you have to make 4-digit greatest number. Okay. तो अब आप इसमें से देखो कौन सा नंबर आप रिपीट कर सकते हो जिससे आपका नंबर बिग हो जाए. चिल्ड्रन, रिमेंबर अ ट्रिक. जो विच नंबर इज बिगर, जो ग्रेटेस्ट है सब में, उसी नंबर को आप रिपीट करो. तो 8 को ही रिपीट करो, आपका नंबर ऑटोमेटिकली ग्रेटेस्ट हो जाएगा. Then in 2 and 1, 2 is greatest, and then 1. This is your answer. Now if you have to make smallest from this number, what you will do, you will see which one is smallest. So 1 यहाँ पे छोटा है. Yes, 2 और 8 से आप 1 को रिपीट करो. Now write 2 and 8. See, this is your smallest. Children, अगर आप 1 और 2 को रिपीट कर दोगे, suppose 2 और 8 ऐसे लिखोगे, you can see that 2 आपका बड़ा है 1 से. So this will not be your smallest number. ये smallest number नहीं होगा, and it will become wrong. ये आपका आंसर गलत हो जाएगा. तो जो small है इसमें से, इन 4 numbers में से which one is small, you will repeat that number. And sorry, in this you can see now here 18, the number which is small, that number you will repeat. Or greatest में the number which is greatest, let me write here, the number which is greatest, repeat that number. And children, in smallest, while making smallest number, repeat smallest digit. number. Children, let us quickly see one question. Find greatest and least number in each group. So you have four groups. A, B, C, D. You have to find the greatest number and least number. I will do one question and remaining is your homework. Your question is 25,303, 25,330, 25,000, 23,503, 23,305. Children, now you have to find greatest number. See, how will you compare? You will see to the leftmost side. आप लेफ्ट साइड में देखोगे, लेफ्ट मोस्ट साइड कंपेयर करो. 2 है यहाँ पे, 2 है, 2, 2. All are same. So you will see to the next leftmost side. Okay. So children, you will see that here we have 5. Here we have again 5. Here we have 3. And here we have 3. So children, 3, 3. 5 से छोटा है तो ये ग्रेटेस्ट नहीं होगा. ये दोनों नंबर ग्रेटेस्ट नहीं होंगे. तो in these number we can find greatest number. Now again 5 is same. अब आप next compare करो. Here it is 3, here it is 3. अब ये फिर से same हो गया. तो चिल्ड्रन, सबसे पहले हम यहाँ से करेंगे, देन यहाँ कंपेयर करेंगे, फिर यहाँ करेंगे. यहाँ पे भी अगर आंसर नहीं मिलेगा देन हम आप नेक्स्ट नंबर से कंपेयर करेंगे. Here we have 0 and here we have 3. That means 0 आपका छोटा हो गया, is small number, and 3 is your bigger number. So which one is your greatest number among these four numbers? 25,330 is greatest number. Now children, you have to find least number. How will you do that? Students, ये दोनों क्वेश्चन, ये वाला ऑप्शन एंड ये वाला ऑप्शन आपका ग्रेटेस्ट में आ गया. सो दिस विल नॉट योर ऑप्शन. आप इससे कंपेयर मत करना, इन दोनों को कट कर दो. ठीक है, अब आप इसमें और इसमें कंपेयर करना. So that will be easy for you. We have 23,503 and 23,305. Children, अब आपको लीस्ट नंबर देखना है. Compare it. Here we have 2, 2. Same है. Now next number आप देखो 3, 3. अब आप इससे भी you cannot find it which one is smallest. Now see the other next. You have 5. Here you have 3. That means इससे आपको नहीं पता चला, आपने नेक्स्ट देखा, फिर आपने नेक्स्ट देखा. यस, अब यहाँ पे 5 है and here it is 3. That means 3 is smallest. Yes. So which number is your smallest number? This number. 23,305 is your smallest number. Okay, children, that's all for today. If you have any doubt, children, see quickly. This is your homework. Let us quickly decide. Understand it, what you have to do. You have to arrange in ascending order. I hope you will be able to do. We have already done in above example how to arrange it in ascending order and descending order. So this is your homework. So children, here we have learned how to arrange numbers in ascending order, descending order.